Welcome to our focus time at Pioneer School. Remedial teaching is our golden rule. Daily from 10 until 12:30 we stay, building up skills in a focused, special way. Foundational learning, step by step we grow. Phonics is the secret that we're learning to know. From 2-letter words to 3, we're on our way, writing and reading for a brighter day. First we practice it and add to find the sound. Then we build on 3-letter words that we have found, writing them 3-letter words that we have found, writing them neatly and reading them clear. Step-by-step concepts, we conquer every fear. Foundational learning, step by step we grow. Phonics is the secret that we're learning to know. From 2-letter words to 3, we're on our way, writing and reading for a brighter day. Parents, your support is the key that we need. Regular practice helps the students succeed. A home that is loving, a home that is kind, helps build the confidence inside of the mind. Step by step at Pioneer, we're proud of what you've done. With continued practice, the progress has begun. Improvement in your literacy, a smile in your heart. Pioneer Public School, this is just the start. This is just the start.